Document Solutions, a high-performance server-side document API line that includes 5 .NET API libraries for Excel, PDF, Word, and image processing, and 1 Java API library for Excel. Our server-side APIs are enhanced by the included JavaScript Viewer controls for PDFs, images, and Excel and data files that can be seamlessly integrated on the client side. Our APIs streamline file generation, editing, and processing for Microsoft Excel and Word, Adobe PDF, and image formats with 0 dependencies. Our .NET 6 libraries integrate seamlessly with .NET Core, enabling cross-platform compatibility on Windows, Mac, and Linux. DSXL is a powerful spreadsheet API available in .NET and Java editions. Import worksheets, calculate, query, and generate custom outputs, produce PDF reports, and read or write SJS files for Spread.js client-side applications on the back end. Also included is DS Data Viewer, a JavaScript tool for loading and viewing and optionally editing data documents, XLSX, CSV, and SJS in web applications. DS PDF is our .NET API tailored for creating and editing PDFs with text, images, form fields, audio, and video. Take full control with this feature-rich library, from page manipulation to annotation, redaction, and compression, streamlining PDF editing and generation. DS PDF includes a JavaScript PDF Viewer for client-side viewing, saving, and optional editing and PDF redaction. DS Word is our .NET Word library designed for creating Microsoft Word documents efficiently. Use it to programmatically generate, edit, parse, and save docx files. Streamline the process of generating docx reports by programmatically creating reports from scratch or utilizing report templates with linked data sources. Finally, programmatically apply advanced image processing with DS Imaging, our .NET Imaging API. Take advantage of advanced image effects, draw graphics, add advanced text, resize, rotate, flip, and convert images. DS Imaging provides a JavaScript Image Viewer that is easily embedded and provides client-side users the ability to edit and modify existing images. Purchase all of our document APIs individually or together as a bundle based on the needs of your project. To learn more about Document Solutions, visit developer.meshius.com/document-solutions.